Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be talking about the benefits of garlic tea. Garlic has so much health benefits to offer. It has been used since ancient times because of its medicinal property to treat all manner of ailment, and also for adding flavor and seasoning food. It is capable of treating digestive distress, fights infections, control blood pressure, boost your immune system, etc. You can now include diced or grated garlic to your diet. Drink garlic tea. Garlic tea is another great way of enjoying the benefits of this wonderful herb. How to prepare garlic tea. Boil a glass of water, add a few minced or chopped garlic cloves to it, add some grated ginger and let it cook between 15 and 20 minutes. Turn off your electric stove and allow it to cool down for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can strain out your tea with the help of a strainer. Add some honey and lemon juice to it to enhance the flavor and your special beverage is ready. The reason for adding lemon and ginger is to prevent bad breath, so you can enjoy this beverage without the fear of unpleasant odor. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach to enjoy the most of its health benefits. Other benefits includes 1. Weight loss. This refreshing beverage is a great way of losing weight. Garlic tea dissolves all the extra fat from all parts of your body. Besides this, it has metabolism-boosting properties. This induces passive weight loss and suppresses your appetite as well. Improved respiratory system. Respiratory ailments can be treated with the help of garlic tea. This tea has the properties of curing cold, cough, fever and congestion. Just 1 cup of garlic tea is good enough for clearing congestion and reducing inflammation in the respiratory tracts. It has natural antibiotic properties. The natural antibiotic properties of garlic were recognized in the ancient years when Greek soldiers drank it to cure infections. When you are attacked by those small infections you don't need to take pop antibiotic. Those bacterial and infections can be treated easily with the help of garlic tea. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video and leave me comments below. See you soon.